How to find sites and download settings on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find sites and download settings on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser and then just click these three lines here in the bottom corner and click settings, and now just click this one, sites and downloads, and then just click here you can manage it. Here you can manage sites, notifications, manage website data, or anything you want, and manage anything and go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end. And see you in the next video.